guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the humidity. So the absolute humidity is there. So what is meant by absolute humidity? Absolute humidity is nothing but the weight of water vapor. So it's weight of the water vapor, and it's the weight of the water vapor in a unit volume of air. So it is in a unit volume of air. And what is it expressed as? It is expressed as the gram per kg of air or gram per meter cube of air. Next is we look at RH. So what is meant by RH? RH means it is a relative humidity. So it's a ratio. So RH is basically a ratio. And a ratio of what? It is a ratio of the actual water vapor. Water vapor content to the maximum water vapor content. And maximum water vapor content in the air required for the saturation of air. So it is in the air which is required for saturation of the air, required for saturation of the air, and this will be at given temperature and pressure, at given temperature and also the pressure. So it is expressed as a percentage. So writing the formula, the RH is going to be equal to the actual water vapor content, and this is going to be multiplied by 100 and divided by the total water vapor content. Next, we are looking at the in case of very low RH. In cases of very low RH, so this can cause skin problems. This can cause the skin problems and also the irritation of the mucous membrane. It causes the irritation of the mucous membrane, and this will be of the nose and throat, nose as well as the throat, and there is precipitation of the infections. This happens in very low RH, that is a relative humidity. Then there is a concept of the dew point. So dew point is the temperature to which the air has to be cooled. So the temperature at which the air is cooled, and this is to achieve saturation. This is to achieve the saturation, and this gives a pressure and constant moisture content. This gives the pressure and constant moisture content. Then we are going to look at how to measure the humidity. So measuring humidity is by, there is a dry and wet hygrometers. This includes, these are nothing but it's mostly widely used instruments. So it is the most commonly used instruments. Next is, there is the sling or whirling psychrometers. So there is sling or the whirling psychrometers.